I'm Sandra Warren. I'm from Marianna, Florida. It's in the Panhandle of Florida. Inside of Joomla, I am on the CLT, and I am the admin of people.joomla.org, and I have assisted in the JUG team reconstruction. On the outside of Joomla, I own Magnolia Web Group and also Joomla Web Group, the sister site to Magnolia.
My name is Paul Orwig. I live in Parker, Colorado, which is just outside of Denver. In Joomla, I'm a member of the community leadership team. I'm a webmaster for the Joomla Community Portal, lead editor for the Joomla Community Magazine, and I'm a co-manager on the Joomla Extension Directory team. My biggest passion for Joomla is trying to get more people from being users of Joomla to being contributors to Joomla. Getting them more involved, getting them to contribute. I think that's going to define what Joomla becomes. And the more people that we have that we can get involved and get to be contributors, the more powerful Joomla is going to become, the better it's going to become, and the quicker it's going to get there.
Growth and communication would be my passions.
One project that I'm involved with, the Joomla Community Magazine, is really intended to bring in as many people from the community, invite as many people from the community as possible to come in and tell their story. And so it's an easy way for anybody to subtly make a move from being a user to a contributor. And part of the hope is that once they have a positive experience with becoming a contributor, that they'll become more motivated to look into other areas of the project to contribute in as well. And another aspect of the Joomla Community Magazine that supports that is all the different topics that we cover every month. And the hope is that that platform will expose more people to everything that's going on in the Joomla world, from Joomla user groups and events to developer topics, administrator topics, designer topics, feature stories, interviews with people who have stories to tell, website case studies. Everything from A to Z in the Joomla world is covered there, and that's also intended to be an easy way for people to learn more about what's going on in the project and hopefully find a way to make a connection if they want to get more involved.
On the JPeople site, we have many groups to join for similar communication. We're really looking for more interactivity from the people we don't hear from as often. We would like to hear more from them. And it looks like there's many more people coming to JPeople to communicate with us and other Joomla members. The groups are fabulous. The people can go to the groups for any number of subjects, be it a fan club or for an extension or a resource that you enjoy, or topical, which would be for talking about a specific topic. And also a lot of the leadership, OSM, CLT, community working groups, we all have Joomla groups as well on JPeople, and you can communicate directly with us in those places, and we're trying to open up more in that area to be more, open up the lines of communication there. It's easier to talk and very laid back.
Front end with the users. Right now, the current system has a 1 to 5 star rating for the extension, and users can leave reviews about the extension. So one of the things that we're looking to do is replacing the current 1 to 5 star rating system with 2 measures. The first would be, I use this component, yes or no. I use this extension, yes or no. And the second would be, I like it, yes or no. So clearer, cleaner, simpler, less ambiguity, less issues that a user versus a developer might have in contention over that, and less hassles for the volunteer team who's trying to help manage all of that. So that's one set of issues that we're working on. Another set of issues that we're working on is to try to streamline and automate the process by which, when a new extension is submitted for a listing to the Joomla extension directory, trying to simplify that so that there's less manual intervention required from the volunteer team members before that listing either gets approved or we get feedback back to the developer about we have a problem here, here, and here before we're able to list your extension. So a couple of things on that we're looking to do is create some automated scripts that when a developer first submits their script or their extension, the scripts will check it, and if they're missing some certain basic things in their XML files or they're missing some basic best coding standards, before they can even submit that extension, it'll get rejected, they'll get some error messages, and that'll be feedback for them that I've got to change this, this, and this, and that way there's not even any manual intervention at all from the JED volunteers. We're also looking to upgrade and add to the documentation that we've got so that it's easier and clearer for developers to understand what's expected of them so that they meet all the requirements to have their extensions listed in the JED. So there's a lot of passion, there's a lot of high stakes involved from a developer standpoint. Sometimes there's frustration involved when the process doesn't go as quick as it can. We're hoping that through those back-end changes it'll simplify things for developers and also ease the workload for the members of the volunteer team.